So today at the Center for a Sustainable Future, we have our second open house. We are excited to share not only student projects with the community, but also some presentations from different organizations and groups. We have some colleges represented here, so they can have an opportunity to talk to students about continuing their education, whether it be for 2-year or 4-year degrees in the field of agriculture and all the different opportunities available. I think it's an opportunity it's really a student and teacher-led. So our teachers have a passion for really teaching our students about sustainable agriculture and being good stewards of the land. And for our students, it is a time for them to shine, a time for them to show off their space and the different projects that they have implemented throughout the year and what they've learned from those projects.
What's special about this open house is that today we will talk, there's colleges here so you can talk to them and they will show you what you have in the future. And there's also some posters here from our science fair. And we also will have some presentations later on today. I mean, yeah, I'll definitely tell them to come out and try it. It's a very nice thing. I'm a junior right now, so probably next time I'd be coming for my senior year. So if you're out there, just come out here and check it out at least. Don't be afraid, come out, get out your comfort zone and do some hands-on.
Well, today my students can take some of the leadership qualities that they have learned throughout the year and they'll be able to give presentations. They can kind of polish their public speaking abilities. They get to show off things that they've been working on all year, give tours, and so really it helps them enhance their leadership abilities and it gives them an opportunity to show off to their friends as well. Here we are as an educational facility trying to teach our kids all of the different ways about what they can do for the environment. They're learning about careers. So partnering with people on many different levels actually has lots of benefits. First off, they get to meet people from the community that could potentially be their employers someday. It could be potential colleges that they're going to be going to. They can see what other people and farmers are doing in the community to improve water quality. So the benefits are endless and we're all working towards the same goal.